Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 185 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Rare.
Good XPW.
Super rare.
100 coins.
Epic.
And an upgrade. 100 rings, pretty decent. For our daily freebies, we have 6 XP doublers and 15 coins. You also have the gems, hypercharge, another skin.
Obey the rules!
They're just getting stage up anyway. Coin offer and a level up offer. And I don't think much has changed since yesterday. However, there is the Mega Peak event starting on Friday. I know I certainly forgot about it, but maybe I can remind you guys ahead of time you can do something about it. I've been seeing people complain recently about the whole points cap thing, and it's just a little weird to have so many more power points than you have coins, but I'm sure they'll probably do something eventually great. Anyway, as of today, I have 3,220 XP doublers and 19,466 power points. So yeah, guys, let me know what you're thinking of the current Brawl Stars situation, and see how far I can take this.